All right. Welcome to this deep dive.
Yeah?
You ready to
Ready.
jump into the CTHR 822411 exam?
Let's do it.
We've got this study guide.
Yeah.
And I know you're prepping for this exam.
It's
So
a huge one.
yeah, a huge one. So we're going to
Lots to cover.
cut through the noise and get to what matters most.
Definitely.
You know, think of this as like your cheat sheet to
Yeah.
to passing this thing.
Exam success.
So
Yeah. It's a challenging exam.
yeah.
No doubt about it. 180 minutes.
Yeah.
Around 80 questions.
Oh, wow.
At a pretty high passing score.
Hmm.
It's not just about memorizing facts.
Right.
It's really understanding how SAP S/4 on a cloud
Yeah.
and SuccessFactors work.
Right. It's all about like applying that knowledge.
Exactly.
Okay, so
Yeah.
let's jump into some of these practice questions
That's good.
and see what we can learn.
All right.
The first one here focuses on the
So,
Clean Core dashboard in SAP S/4 on a cloud.
Oh.
I'm curious, what exactly does
Yeah.
Clean Core mean in this context?
it's a crucial concept
Okay.
for businesses using SAP S/4HANA Cloud.
Mm-hmm.
Think of it like this. The core is the standard system provided by SAP.
Okay.
It's designed to work seamlessly
Okay.
for a variety of businesses.
Yeah.
Clean means you're keeping that core as free
Okay.
from modifications as possible.
That makes sense. So why is this Clean Core approach
So important.
so important? Yeah.
Every customization, while sometimes necessary,
Yeah.
adds another layer of complexity.
Oh, okay.
This can make future upgrades and maintenance
Yeah.
a real headache.
Oh, right.
Imagine trying to update a house that's been built with mismatched materials and
Mhm.
unconventional structures.
Yeah.
It gets complicated quickly.
I can imagine.
Yeah.
So keeping the core clean helps things run smoothly in the long run.
Exactly.
Now, the practice question asks which statements about this dashboard are true.
Okay.
The guide says customers can share it with partners and access it through the SAP For Me portal.
Okay.
Why are those features important?
Sharing with partners allows for greater collaboration,
Okay.
especially when implementing or customizing the system,
Mm-hmm.
and having access through the SAP For Me portal
Yeah.
provides a single point of entry for users
Right.
to access various resources and tools.
Okay. That's pretty convenient.
Yeah,
But there's another key point here, right?
there is.
The dashboard offers real-time monitoring
Yes.
of modifications.
Exactly. It's like having a security camera for your system's core,
Yeah.
making sure no one's sneaking in any unnecessary clutter.
Yeah.
This real-time monitoring helps prevent issues
Okay.
before they snowball into bigger problems.
Right.
It allows you to catch a potential customization conflict early on,
Yeah.
save you a lot of trouble down the line.
That's a fantastic analogy.
Thanks.
It really highlights why maintaining a clean core is
Yeah.
so crucial for long-term success.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's move on to question 2. All right.
Which deals with managing translations
Okay.
for rating scales in SAP SuccessFactors.
This is particularly relevant
Yeah.
for global organizations using performance management systems.
Mm,
Imagine the confusion if a good rating in English
right.
means something completely different in,
Yeah.
say, Japanese or Spanish.
That could lead to some serious misinterpretations.
For sure.
So how does SAP SuccessFactors address this challenge?
The key lies in the Manage Form Label Translations
Okay.
function in the Admin Center.
Okay.
Think of it as a universal translator
Got it.
for your performance management system. It allows you to ensure consistency across all languages.
Right.
So everyone understands the rating scales in the same way.
So it's about creating a level playing field
Exactly.
and ensuring fairness
Yeah,
in performance evaluations, regardless of language.
absolutely.
Now, question 3 tackles a pretty sensitive topic.
Okay.
What happens when an administrator
Mm,
deletes continuous feedback? This is where we need to proceed with caution.
right.
The study guide emphasizes
Mm-hmm.
that deleted feedback is gone for good,
Oh, wow.
with no way to retrieve it,
Okay.
and deletion is restricted to active users,
Okay.
likely to maintain data integrity.
That's a big deal. What are the implications of this, especially in a real-world setting?
Imagine a situation where feedback is deleted,
Yeah.
and then later it's needed for legal reasons,
Oh, right.
or to address a performance issue,
Yeah.
or consider the impact on an employee.
Yeah.
If their positive feedback is accidentally deleted,
Right.
It highlights the need for clear policies and procedures
Oh, okay.
around feedback deletion.
Absolutely. It
Yeah.
raises the question of how long feedback should be kept and who has the authority to delete it.
Right.
These are important considerations for
Yeah.
any organization using a continuous feedback system.
Precisely.
Yeah, it's not just about
It's not just about the technical aspects,
ethical aspects, right?
but also the ethical and legal implications.
Okay, let's shift gears and look at question 4,
Right.
which deals with the configuration options
Mm.
in continuous performance management, or CPM.
Okay.
It seems like there's a lot of flexibility
There is.
built into the system.
Yeah, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach.
Okay.
The guide points out that you can enable features like structured discussion topics for performance conversations,
Okay.
role-based access
Correct.
to control who can provide and view feedback,
Okay.
and even prevent employees from deleting feedback they receive.
Wow, so it's all about creating a system
Yeah.
that's tailored to an organization's specific needs
Exactly.
and promotes fairness
Yeah.
and transparency in performance management.
And that's a key takeaway here.
Yeah.
The system is designed to be adaptable,
Okay.
recognizing that performance management processes vary
Right.
from one organization to the next.
That's great. Finally, question 5
Right.
explores the feedback received tab in continuous feedback.
Got it.
What stands out to you about this feature?
It's all about empowering users
Okay.
and giving them more control over their feedback experience. The guide highlights the ability to decline feedback requests
Okay.
and filter feedback
Yeah.
by activity,
Okay.
allowing users to focus on the most relevant feedback
Yeah.
for their development.
So it's not just about receiving feedback passively,
Right.
but actively managing and engaging with it.
Precisely. It puts the user in the driver's seat.
I like that.
Yeah.
Encouraging them to take ownership
Yeah.
of their performance development.
Absolutely.
That's a fantastic way to end this. I hope this deep dive has been valuable and provided some helpful insights.
I hope so too.
A huge thanks to you
Well, thank you.
for sharing your expertise with us.
Of course, it was my pleasure.
And to our listener for joining us on this deep dive.
Yes, thank you for listening.
Until next time, keep those brains buzzing.
Keep learning.